Children of Kenya are really important because they are the future of their country. I found myself volunteering at this little primary school and orphanage in the Kibera slum. They say that it's one of the biggest slums in Africa. The condition of the school was pretty devastating. All of the kids that I was teaching, they were going to finish their education at the age of 12 or 13. And it's really, really hard to walk away from that once you've been there. The key to breaking the cycle of poverty is by providing good quality education. The Kickstart Project focuses on providing education to disadvantaged students from not only the Kibera slum but remote parts of Kenya in order to create a brighter future for themselves and their families. So we do that by providing a secondary school education. We don't just pay for their school fees. Our aim is to really provide a holistic and complete support and mentoring program that will give them everything that they could possibly need for a successful education. 92% of every dollar reaches the students in Kenya directly, and that's something we're really, really proud of, and we want to keep that percentage as high as possible. It's one of our biggest priorities. So at the moment we have 30 students completing the secondary sponsorship. We have 2 additional students in tertiary education, one at university and one currently completing his internship with an international airline to work with Emirates in the very near future. As a result, he's actually become a really, really valuable mentor for our younger students because he turns up to our mentoring and support days and he stands so proud and so confident and talks to these kids about, I was exactly like you. I come from the slum. I didn't have a future. My family couldn't afford my education. And now I'm working for Emirates. It's really, really amazing to see the transformation that a sponsorship can provide for these kids. We are extremely lucky to live in a place like Australia, and we're extremely fortunate to have the life that we do. And unfortunately, a lot of people in Kenya have an extremely different life and an extremely different future. And the Kickstart Project has tried to develop a connection between those two worlds. By creating that connection, I feel that we can make those really small changes that end up benefiting the community and maybe even the whole country.